Go ahead, put it there so she can open it.
It's not a shoe.
Oh, he broke it. Open it. I don't know what it is.
It's a shoe.
Open it. Open the box. What is in there?
Apple.
It's a gift.
Eat it.
You don't. You don't like it?
Why did you give me apple?
It's a gift, honey. You don't like.